Good morning, children. Sairam. Today we are going to learn active English. Okay, so let's learn chapter number 23 and chapter number 24. Okay, first let's see chapter number 23. So, in this chapter also, they have given some events and pictures. Okay, so those events were happened yesterday. So we are going to use past tense. Okay, so we are going to use past tense. Okay, okay, let's move on to the chapter. First, answer the questions. Look at the first picture. There is a small girl, isn't it? Her name is Maya. Her name is Maya. What is she having? She's having two apples, isn't it? She's having two apples. So see the first question. Did Maya have two apples yesterday? Did Maya have two apples yesterday? So in the question itself they have given yesterday. So we are going to use past tense. Okay. And they have given the name in the question itself. So we need not write the name in the answer. Okay. So how to answer? Did Maya have two apples yesterday? Yes, dash did. She had dash apples. So we are going to fill the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. Yes, she did. So we need not write the name in the answer. Okay, yes, Maya's a girl, isn't it? So we have to write yes, she did. Yes, she did. She had only two apples, isn't it? So yes, she did. She had two apples. Okay, did Maya have two apples yesterday? Yes, she's having two apples, isn't it? So how to answer? Yes, she did. She had two apples. Okay, yes. First, you should answer yes, she did. If the answer is no, no, she did not. Okay. So, how to answer? Yes, she did. She had two apples. Is it clear, children? Yes. Since Maya is a girl, we have to write she. Okay. So, next question will be, look at the picture. There is one boy, small boy, isn't it? His name is Prem. His name is Prem. So, what is he having? He's having four. 1, 2, 3, 4. He is having what? Oranges. You see the question? Did Prem have 3 oranges yesterday? Did Prem have 3 oranges yesterday? So how many he is having? 1, 2, 3, 4. So he is having 4 apples, isn't it? So the answer will be no. Prem is a boy, isn't it? So no, he did not. No, he did not. He had how many oranges? 4 oranges, isn't it? He had 4 oranges. He had 4 oranges. Is it clear, children? Yes. Did Prem have 3 oranges yesterday? No, isn't it? He is having 4 oranges. So, no, he did not. He had 4 oranges. He had. He had. Not has. Has and have are present tense, isn't it? Had is a past tense. So, he had 4 oranges. Okay. In present tense, we will use has for singular and have for plural, isn't it? But in the past tense, we use had for both singular and plural. Okay. So let's see the next one. See the picture. So in the picture there are two girls, isn't it? The name Maya and Anu. Maya and Anu. So what are they having? They are having one basket, isn't it? They are having one basket. So see the question. Did Maya and Anu have a basket yesterday? Did Maya and Anu have a basket yesterday? Yes, isn't it? They are having basket. So how to answer? Yes, they did. Because there are two girls, isn't it? So we have to answer like yes, they did. Yes, they did. They dash a dash. They had. They had a, what are they having? Basket, isn't it? They had a basket. They had a basket. Yes, they did. They had a basket. Is it clear, children? Yes? Yes. Then move on to the next one. Look at the picture. So there are two boys, isn't it? What are the name? Prem and Mohan. Prem and Mohan. And what are they having? They are having a car, isn't it? A toy car, isn't it? So see the question. Did Prem and Mohan have a boat yesterday? Did Prem and Mohan have a boat yesterday? They are having boat. Look at the picture. What are they having? They are having car, isn't it? So how to answer? No. No, since there are two persons, isn't it? So no, they did not. No, they did not. They dash a car. They had car, isn't it? They had car. So how to answer? First you should say yes or no, then only you have to answer the question. Okay. So they are having car, not an aeroplane, isn't it? So how to answer? No, they did not. They had car. Okay. Is it clear? Yes. Look at the picture. There is one small boy. His name is Prem and he is having some books, isn't it? He is having some books. So see the question. Did Prem have 3 books yesterday? Did Prem have 3 books yesterday? Look at the picture. How many books he is having? 3 books, isn't it? So, how to answer? Yes or no? Yes, isn't it? Yes, he did. Yes, he did. He, because it is given in the question like yesterday, isn't it? So he had how many books? 3 books, isn't it? He had 3 books. Yes, he did. He had 3 books. Is it clear, children? Did Prem have 3 books yesterday? Yes, because he is having 3 books. So the answer will be yes, he did. He had 3 books. Is it clear? Yes. So with that we have completed chapter number 23. So remaining you have to try and answer the questions. Okay, children. So try to answer the remaining questions. First copy down these 5 questions and then try to do the remaining questions. Is it clear, children? First you should answer like yes or no. If the answer is yes, then yes, he or she or they, depending upon the picture they have given. Okay, if they have given a boy, then you should answer yes, he did. Okay, if the picture is a girl picture, then you should answer like yes, she did. Okay, then only you can answer the question. Okay, children. So try to finish the remaining questions. Okay. So now let's move on to chapter number 24. Chapter number 24. What is the topic? The simple past tense. So in this chapter also we are going to deal with past tense only. Okay, the simple past tense. So before that we are going to going to answer the questions, you should know the past tense of all the verbs, that is doing words. Okay, children. So be thorough with the past tense of all the doing words. That means verbs. Okay. Okay. First look at the picture. There is one boy cleaning the board, isn't it? His name is Prem. They have given Prem, isn't it? So look at the question. Who cleaned the blackboard yesterday? Who cleaned? So who cleaned? Cleaned is the past tense of clean. Okay. Cleaned is the past tense of clean. Okay. Who cleaned the blackboard yesterday? So in the question, they didn't give the name, isn't it? Name of a person. So we have to write the name of the person in the answer. Okay, children. Who cleaned the blackboard yesterday? Prem did. Who did? Prem. They have given the name in the picture. Prem, isn't it? So Prem did. He cleaned the blackboard. Prem did. He cleaned the blackboard. Because in the question they didn't give the name of the person, isn't it? So we have to write the name of the person in the answer. Okay, children. Who did? First we have to answer who did. Who did? Prem did. Okay, then only you have to answer what he did. He cleaned the blackboard. He cleaned the blackboard. Okay, first you should answer like who did. Prem did. In the next sentence, you have to answer what he did. He cleaned the blackboard. Okay, he cleaned the blackboard. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Look at the picture. So there is one girl opening windows, isn't it? Her name is Maya. Her name is Maya. So see the question. Who opened the window yesterday? Who opened? Opened is the past tense of open. Opened is the past tense of open. Who opened the window yesterday? Who opened? The first sentence. How to answer? Who did the work? Okay, who did the work? Maya did, isn't it? They have given the name in the picture. Maya. So, Maya did. What she did? She opened the window. So, in the next sentence, we are going to write what she did. Isn't it? She dashed the window, opened, because it is yesterday. This event was happened yesterday. So, we are going to use the past tense, simple past tense. So, she opened. She opened the window. Is it clear, children? Maya did. First, in the first sentence, you have to answer who did the work. And in the next sentence, you have to answer what she did. Okay? So, let's move on to the next question. Look at the picture. So, he's a policeman, isn't it? He's a policeman knocking on the door. So, see the question. Who knocked on the door yesterday? Who knocked on the door yesterday? Knocked. It is the past tense of knock. It is the past tense of knock, isn't it? Who knocked the door? A policeman did, isn't it? A policeman did. So first sentence will be who did the work, and the next sentence will be what he did, isn't it? What he did, he knocked on the door. He knocked on the door. So he knocked on the door. He knocked on the door. Is it clear, children? A policeman did. He knocked on the door. Is it clear? Yes. So the next picture is a small girl. Her name is Maya. She is having something in his hand, isn't it? In her hand. See the question. Who ate a banana yesterday? Who ate a banana yesterday? Maya. So, what is her name? Maya, isn't it? So, Maya did. Maya did. She dash banana. What she did? She ate a banana, isn't it? She ate a banana. She ate a banana. Okay. The first sentence will be who did. Who did the work. And the second sentence will be what she or he did. Okay. The next one will be, look at the picture. Look at the picture. So one small girl, she is drawing something on the blackboard, isn't it? Her name is Anu. They have given Anu, isn't it? So see the question. Who drew on the blackboard yesterday? Who drew on the blackboard yesterday? So drew is the past tense of draw. Drew is the past tense of draw. Okay. First, what is the first sentence will be? Who did, isn't it? Who did? Anu did, isn't it? So the first sentence will be Anu did. Anu did. And in the second sentence will be she drew on the blackboard. What she did? What she did? She drew on the blackboard. So she drew on the blackboard. Okay, she drew on the blackboard. See, I'll write once again. Who, the first sentence will be who did, isn't it? The answer of who did. Who did? Anu did, isn't it? So, Anu did. Anu did. And second sentence will be what she did. What she did? She drew on the blackboard, isn't it? She drew on the blackboard. She drew on the blackboard. And drew is the past tense of draw. Okay. It is the past tense of draw. So is it clear, children? Yes. So next one. So one small girl sitting on the desk, isn't it? Her name is Radha. Her name is Radha, isn't it? So look at the question. Who sat on her desk yesterday? Who sat on her desk yesterday? Who sat? Her name is Radha, isn't it? So the first sentence will be Radha did. Radha did. And what she did? She sat. Sat is the past tense of sit. Sat is the past tense of sit. So she sat on her desk. So Radha did. She sat on her desk. Is it clear, children? The first sentence will be who did. The name they have given in the picture, isn't it? So Radha did. And the second sentence will be what she did. She sat on her desk. Isn't it? So have you all understood so far? Yes. So look at the next picture. So there is a small girl. So she is eating. What she is eating? Apple. They have given apple, isn't it? So look at the question. Did Maya eat a banana yesterday? No, isn't it? She is eating apple. So how to answer? No, she did not. See the answer? No, she did not. She ate an apple. She ate an apple. Here we are writing ate because they have given yesterday. So we have to write the past tense of eat. She ate an apple. She ate an apple. Is it clear? First, you should write yes or no. If yes, yes, she did. If no, no, she did not. Okay? No, she did not. She and the verb will be past tense. Okay? She ate an apple. She ate an apple. So see the next picture. So one small boy is drawing a fish, isn't it? So see the question. Did Mohan draw a cat yesterday? Did Mohan. So what is the name of the boy? Mohan, isn't it? So did Mohan draw a cat yesterday? No, isn't it? He drew a fish, isn't it? So how to answer? No, he dash. No, he did not. No, he did not. Okay, no, he did not. He, what is the past tense of draw? Drew, isn't it? D-R-E-W. He drew a fish. He drew a fish. Is it clear, children? No, he did not. He drew a fish. So next one. So look at the picture. What is there? It is a train. It is a train. So what is the question? Did Anu see an aeroplane yesterday? Did Anu see an aeroplane yesterday? Is it an aeroplane in the picture? No, it is a train, isn't it? So the answer will be no. No, she did not, isn't it? No, she did not. No, she did not. She, what is the past tense of see? Saw, isn't it? She saw a train. She saw a train. Is it clear? No, she did not. No, she did not. The next sentence will be she saw a train. The past tense of see is saw. Okay, she saw because the action was happened yesterday. So we have to write in past tense. Okay. So past tense of see is saw. She saw a train. She saw a train. Is it clear, children? Yes. Look at the next picture. So there is one small boy. He is having kite. They have given kite, isn't it? So now let's see the question. Did Mohan buy a book yesterday? Did Mohan buy a book yesterday? No, isn't it? He is having kite only. Yes. So how to answer? No, he did not. So first you should write no, he did not. No, he did not. Then what he bought? So what is the past tense of buy? Bought. Past tense of buy is bought. Past tense of buy is bought. So you should remember the past tense of all verbs. Okay, children, you should remember past tense of all the doing words so that you can answer the questions in past tense. Okay, children, the past tense of buy is bought. Okay, so the answer will be no, he did not. What he bought? He bought a kite, isn't it? So he bought a kite. He bought a kite. Is it clear, children? Did Mohan buy a book yesterday? No. And since Mohan is a boy, we will be writing he. No, he did not. The next sentence, what he bought? He bought a kite, isn't it? So he bought. Bought is the past tense of buy. Bought is the past tense of buy. He bought a kite. Is it clear, children? Yes. So with that we have completed chapter number 24 also. So try to finish the remaining questions. For that you have to study and remember the past tense of all doing words, that means verbs. Okay, so that you can answer the questions in the past tense. Okay, children? We see you in the next class, children. Bye.